Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're covering a step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC for your Airbnb business. We'll explore the benefits, important steps, and key requirements to help protect your personal assets and get your business running smoothly. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complicated parts, skip to the end where I'll be sharing a special offer to form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. And now, before we get into the steps, it is crucial that you understand why you need an LLC for your Airbnb business. Number one, liability protection. When you rent out your property on Airbnb, you're opening up to the possibility of accidents or legal issues. Even if your guests aren't swinging from the chandeliers, accidents happen. If someone gets hurt or property damage occurs, having your Airbnb under an LLC can protect your personal assets, like your home and savings, from being targeted in a lawsuit. And then number two would be the tax benefits. Forming an LLC gives you more options when it comes to taxes. Instead of being taxed as a sole proprietor, you can choose to be taxed as an S corporation. This allows you to split your income between a salary and dividends, potentially lowering your overall tax burden. Now that you know why an LLC is beneficial, let's walk through the steps to form your LLC for your Airbnb business. And don't forget, if you'd prefer to have someone else take care of this for you, Northwest Registered Agent can set up your LLC for just $39. I'll drop the link in the description below. So now, step one, choose a state to register your LLC. If you own properties in multiple states, you'll need to form an LLC in each state where your Airbnb operates. You can also choose a business-friendly state like Delaware or Nevada, known for easy business regulations. And now, step number two, pick a name for your LLC. Make sure your LLC name is unique in your chosen state. It should include LLC or limited liability company at the end. For example, Sunset Stays LLC or Dream House Limited Liability Company. Check your state's database to ensure that the name is available. So to access your state's database, it is different from state to state. So for example, you are from Florida and you want to form your LLC here. So what you want to do is you want to go into sendbiz.org. And if you are located in other state, then of course you would need to go to other website into your state's own database. And from here, we're just going to click here on search records. And from here, click on name. And all I have to do now is basically just type my LLC business name right here, just to make sure that there is no other business in this state that has the same name as I have. And that is basically how you can check if the name is available in your current state. And now, step three, which is to appoint a registered agent. Your LLC needs a registered agent, which is someone who is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. This person or service must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. You can either act as your own registered agent or use a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. And now let's move on to step number four, which is to file articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file your articles of organization with the Secretary of State. This process can usually be done online, and the filing fees vary by state, typically ranging from $100 to $750. And now, step number five is to create an operating agreement. Even if your state doesn't require it, having an operating agreement is a good idea, especially if you have multiple owners. This document outlines the rules, roles, and responsibilities of the LLC members. And now, the last step, step number six, which is to obtain an EIN or Employer Identification Number. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You'll need this to pay taxes, open a business bank account, and hire employees. The process to get an EIN is straightforward, but time-consuming. Hiring a service like Northwest Registered Agent can make this part hassle-free, as they will handle everything for you. So yeah, starting an LLC for your Airbnb business offers peace of mind with liability protection and tax savings. It might feel like a lot to do, but the benefits far outweigh the cost. If you want to skip the paperwork and save time, I highly recommend using Northwest Registered Agent, which will handle the entire process for just $39. Check the link in the description to get started today. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.